So I just read this new research on how life on Earth could have exactly started. And if you follow along for a minute or so, you can learn what I learned. It has to do with water and lightning. See, about 75 years ago, two scientists, Miller and Urey, they did an experiment where they first stimulated an early Earth-like environment, basically by enclosing water with some gases like ammonia, methane, hydrogen, and then they triggered artificial lightning. They kept doing this for like a week, by the end of which they found that some random organic compounds like amino acids had formed. And amino acids are what our proteins are made up of. So this Miller-Urey experiment became one of the main explanations of how organic matter could have originated on Earth. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment. Anyway, what everyone has wondered since then is how often would such lightning kind of situations be occurring in actual life, sufficient enough to spark actual reactions across oceans and all that. And this is where this latest research I read from Stanford University, it's pretty mind-blowing, right? So these guys also from Stanford set up an early Earth-like condition like Miller and Urey, but instead of simulating any lightning, they just sprayed room temperature water into the gas mixture. So their theory was that you don't really need lightning to trigger formation of organic compounds, and that any action where water is sprayed, and in real life it could mean waves crashing or waterfalls, that could generate electrical charge, very small, very minor, almost missable, but charge will be there. So in their experiment, when the researchers used high-speed cameras, they actually did capture these electric sparks. They call it micro lightning. And over time, without any specific lightning simulation and all that, organic compounds still formed just by these sustained micro lightnings simulated by spraying water. Crazy, right? Alright, hope that the next time you see a wave break or a waterfall, you realize that you are essentially looking at the potential answer to one of the universe's biggest mysteries, how life formed on Earth. Share this video with somebody who geeks about these things. I'm Amrit, founder of Story99, and we help mid-sized tech companies improve their storytelling, because better stories means better business.